Hey, engineers, I bet you've heard of digital twins by now.
Yeah, but have they heard about AI-based design exploration that is changing the game?
Digital twins are the ultimate tool for operation optimization, real-time simulations for real-world problems.
True. But what about designing smarter, faster, and more efficiently using AI? Engineers can test millions of designs in minutes.
Well, my AI-powered digital twin tool helps predict system failures and optimize operations with real-world data.
And my AI-accelerated design tool can test many designs so engineers can innovate faster than ever.
Okay, Mazen, I'll admit, AI-based design exploration is cool. But without digital twin, who's optimizing operations?
Fair enough, Asma, but without smart AI designs, what is there to optimize?
That's why you need both. Want to know how to use AI for both design exploration and digital twins?
Start your AI journey on Ansys.ai to take your engineering projects to the next level.